Well, it's been some time since we've done an update. I've spent the majority of this weekend kind of out here modifying things, just getting it to how we want it to be. So let's get suited up here. I'll give you guys a tour of what we've done, what we've acquired, and what we're going to be working on next. So stick around. So I've been in kind of a rut, not really knowing what to work on out here. We did a lot of turning live on stream. I was getting kind of burnt out of that. We have back here We have back here 23 unfinished small bowls that we started on stream. That's a ton. I just can't keep turning small bowls. I have nowhere to put them. And in this tote, we have all of our finished product. Some of this is on chipswoodworking.com. Some of it soon to be on chipswoodworking.com. As you can see, we got coasters, keychains, bowls, just a ton. Kind of been doing some shorts here and there where I feel like it, where I feel it makes sense for what we're working on. But I came into this weekend really just wanting to get the shop clean. Over the winter, we kind of accumulate a lot of junk out here. Plus with the bathroom remodel we had, we still have the outdoor couch out here that it takes up a lot of room, kind of blocks the table saw. But we had the sheets of plywood laying up against the workbench over there that we've now got on our walls back here to make it a little different. And then we also have the one horizontal one here. That pretty much took my whole entire Saturday. I was pretty pooped. These are 3/4 inch sheeting panels that we had left over from when we had the bathroom floor install done, and they weren't needed. I never returned them, so I figured I'd put good use and have them on the wall. But mounting 3/4 inch sheeting by yourself on a wall is not fun. Take my word for it. But I wanted to get it up because we have our banner from Odie's, our banner from Starbond. Wanted to redo the gouge wall, and then we're also going to decorate up here. We're going to put a shelf up with some of the projects that we actually keep, some bowls and stuff I don't want to get rid of, and future stuff. Over on this wall, it's kind of the French cleat wall. I do have some new French cleats to put up, along with some new French cleat accessories. So we got to do that still. I don't know what I want to do there. Kind of burnt myself out this weekend. Seems to be a common trend here.